Hello, my friends. Today I'm going to attempt one of my favorite pours, a ring and ribbon pour. I'm using my Polycrylic mix, which I just love, and here's the consistency. It's on the thick side. I'll put the exact ratios and the recipe down below. I'm using Master's Touch paints in, they call this gray purple. This is light purple and olive green. I wouldn't call that olive at all, but whatever. This is Master's Touch violet, Artist Loft gold, and white. So let's give it a try. This is a 16-inch round canvas. I just picked up a bundle of these cups from Costco. I hope I like them because I've got a lot of them. They're a different shape than most 18-ounce ones, so I'm hoping it's not a mistake. We shall see. Okay. These are similar colors to my most favorite recent pour, video number 70, but they're different shades of those same colors, lighter shades. So I'm hoping I will like this also. And then I added one more shade of, I guess this would be the additional one. And I used phthalo green instead of this olive green, and well, it's not really the same at all. But they're in the same family. Okay, probably do 3 layers. Okay, that was 2. I'm going to have plenty left to do a smaller painting as well. Oh, let's see, that was 2. And I said I'd do 3. I think I will do one more little layer. What you put in last, of course, ends up on the edges and often gets tilted off, so it's not as important as what you put in first. But you want enough paint to move around on the canvas and to get coverage, of course, so and then also if I want to do that ribbon thing, I'll have extra in the cups if necessary. I think I'll stop there. Okay. These out of the way. It looks pretty in the cup. And here we go. I'll move it around a bit. Oops, I forgot to I forgot to reserve any for the ribbon thing, but I have plenty left. I might as well finish this up. Okay. Oh, that's fun. I like that. Interesting. I thought this was kind of an ugly color, but now I'm really liking it. Oh well. I think I'm going to tilt and then I'll address the ribbon thing if necessary. Let's see. It's too bad I'm going to lose those. Let's see if I can't just slowly go over. Maybe bring it back. Come back. All right, let's size it up. Well, I really like that olive green there with the white and the gold and very fun little tips of this, whatever that color is. I'm not crazy about that color next to the blue, next to this, I don't know what the colors are. They don't look like the colors they call them, so I'm going to call it blue, but I know it's some kind of light purple, I think they said. Well, I think it needs, I want to add some ribbons, but do I want to do something bold before I do that? I like this and I like that, so I really can't tilt too much more. This is kind of nice over here. The whole thing's kind of nice, but it needs ribbons in my estimation. So I'm going to take that cup and add to it with white. And that olive that I'm enjoying. And the dark purple. Okay. Now here we go. I'm going to go over this area. Okay. And purple barely showed up. I'm going to add a little more. Okay, I like both of those. But you know, that's not enough for me. I'm going to have to do something over here. You know, I'm going to stop right there. I could keep going, but I've just done 3 lines, and I think it's added a lot of interest. Not sure which orientation. Just move it around a little bit and think about it. I don't know, on a round canvas it can go any way you want. So okay, well let me bring you in for a closer look. There are some areas that I find fascinating. I would like to share with you. So drying off my hands a bit, and let's see. I like that. I love the little striations right there. And this area, those I think are just fascinating. They look like a plant of some kind. Look at that. Very fun. And that little section. That's pretty wild. It's crazy colors, but I like it. I'm trying to pull it up so you can see the whole thing. I think you get a whole look at it there. Is that enough ribbons? Let me know what you think. I usually go a little crazier than this, but I'm thinking in this case, less is more. Okay, folks, tell me what you think, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.